What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Sony XM5 headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin pairing your Sony XM5 headphones, you want to make sure that they're first powered on. And you can do that by finding where the power button is, and you're going to press and hold this power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. So there we go. Now you're going to see that it's first flashing a little bit. That means it's already pairing with the device that you usually use this headphone with. But if you're trying to pair it with a different device, once it's powered on, you're going to press and hold the power button again for about 5 to 8 seconds. So let's do that now. Now keep in mind, when you are holding it for that amount of time, you should be able to eventually hear the headphone saying that it is going into pairing mode. And as you can see, it is blinking the blue light rapidly, which means that it's ready to be paired with your device. And in order for you to do that, head into your device's settings, then head into your Bluetooth menu, and you should find the Sony XM5 headphones labeled there, and you can press and pair it. So this was my video on how to pair your Sony XM5 headphones. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.